Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did this crochet install with these Nala Tress braids that were sent to me by Janet Collection. These are their boho box braids. They're 24 inches long and I do have them in a color number 4. I will show you guys exactly how I installed them step by step. I did a really simple, basic install, nothing new. I didn't do anything innovative or anything like that. It didn't take me very long to do it at all, and I did use a total of 8 packs. Actually, I used about 7 packs and then 4 braids from one other pack. I don't think that there's anything else that I wanted to mention. So if you guys want to see more crochet installs like this here on my channel, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out. And let's go ahead and get started.
Got me high above, like the sun by the moon, he's a star. Baby, I'm lighting up, like a fool, it's true, it's true. He's making me blow my mind and I can't stand the thought of being without us. I'm being honest, y'all, I'm being honest. We just do what we do, ain't no joke about love. He's the one that I die for. Dance along, side by side, can't believe that he is mine. We just do what we do, my love, my heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything, look at me go. Oh, my love, my love, my love. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything, look at me go. Oh, my love, my love, my love. He make me feel like the type of fire that burns from within, shining like I'm made of gold. I shine, it's true. He's making me jump from high ground, keeps catching me every time I fall. He got me safe and sound, safe and sound. We just do what we do, ain't no joke about love. He's the one that I die for. Dance along, side by side, can't believe that he is mine. We just do what we do, my love.
Tap it right into your memory base. Done with the install, and here are the final results. I love this style. It is so lightweight, and even though I have a lot of braids, it does not feel like it. My neck doesn't hurt, my head doesn't hurt. They are so lightweight. It's kind of like, how did they do that? But I love it. I absolutely love it. I love this style. I like the simple curl at the end. It's not like a coily type of curl like the goddess locks or like goddess braids have when they have like a super like ringlet at the bottom. It's a nice like pretty wave. I am 6 feet tall, so they hit me right at my belly button. Like here's my belly button and here's where the braids stop. So they are pretty long, but I'm not mad at it. I kind of like my braids and twists to be a little bit longer sometimes. So yeah, these braids were really easy to install, although every kind of couple of braids, the hole would be super, super small. And I felt like I couldn't get the crochet hook into it the right way and it kind of snagged, but that wasn't every single braid. It was just a couple in each pack that kind of was like, being a little bit of annoying. But if you guys would like to pick up this hair for yourself to do your own crochet install, I would definitely recommend it. I will leave a link where you can purchase this down in the description box below. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up if you want to see more crochet installs like this on my channel. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what other kind of crochet styles you would like to see, and subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.